Hi students, in the last class, so we are given these two problems as a homework for you people. So the first problem is not an much difficult for you people. It is a very easy problem. So we done a similar problem in the last video. Here only the 5 and 7 is replaced and the rest all the things are same. So we done same problem in the last video. The second problem is also a very easy problem for some students. They feel some difficult in that problem. So shall we redo this problem? The second problem will redo this because so in the if 100 students are seeing this video, so almost all for 80 students it will be difficult. So I am redoing this second problem. The first problem is very easy for you people. It is not in much difficult. So students, in this video also we are discussing the same 5 marks questions for your main exam. So they will ask one 5 marks question from this concept. So in this video also we are discussing 5 marks questions only. So if you see how many 5 marks questions are there in the textbook means, I think totally to 6 to 7 problems, that's all. So if you write the 6 to 7 question in one page and if you work that 7 questions, definitely you will get you get one 5 marks question in your exam and you can easily attend. So this question is actually asked in the model paper. This question is asked in the exam, in the main exam. So in 2017 they are asked. So until if ಅವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, 2017 2017 ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ questions of today's sessions. So this session is also a very important for the people because in this session also we are discussing only 5 marks questions. Let me prove this problem. If y is equal to sin inverse x whole square, then show that 1 minus x square into d square over by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to 2. So they will ask the question like this only. So let me consider this equation. Let me consider y is equal to sin inverse x whole square. Now we are differentiating with respect to x. What is the differentiation of y is dy by dx. Here we are applying the chain rule differentiation. What is the differentiation of sin inverse x whole square is? Here the differentiation of sin inverse x whole square is 2 sin inverse x. Again differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is a chain rule differentiation. First you want to differentiate the power and then you want to go for the function. First you want to differentiate the power and then you want to go for the base. That is the chain rule differentiation. Now, so we have you want to remember one point. What is that point? So if after the differentiation, if any term exists in the denominator, multiply the term throughout the equation. So here we have in the denominator we have a root of 1 minus x square. So multiply root of 1 minus x square throughout the equation. Multiply the root of 1 minus x square throughout the equation. Now root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to 2 sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. Now root of 1 minus x square and root of 1 minus x square cancel. So we left with root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Once again we will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here you want to apply the product rule differentiation. What is the product rule differentiation is? First function as it is, differentiation of second function d square by dx square plus dy by dx as it is, differentiation of root of 1 minus x square is equal to differentiation of 2 sin inverse x. Now root of 1 minus x square as it is, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx. What is the differentiation of root of 1 minus x square is? First you want to differentiate the root, then you want to go for the function. The differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square. Again differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. 2 is a constant. The difference of sin inverse x is, the differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now 2 cancel. So you want to remember the point. What is that point? If in the denominator, on the differentiation, if any term exists in the denominator, multiply the term throughout the equation. So what we have a term here, root of 1 minus x square in the denominator. So multiply the root of 1 minus x square throughout the equation. Multiply the root of 1 minus x square throughout the equation. Now see here, this will become root of 1 minus x square whole square into d square y by dx square minus, I am writing here, minus x by root of 1 minus x square minus x by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to 2 by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. Is it clear? So now root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square cancel, root of 1 minus x, root of 1 minus x square cancel, square and root cancel. I am writing the terms what we left, that terms we are writing 1 minus x square into d square by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to 2. So this is the answer. Is it clear? Once again I am repeating this problem, just listen here. So it is very important for your exam. So this question is asked in the 2017 paper. This question is not in your textbook, but sometimes what they will do means, so in 150 marks paper will be given in your main exam. The total marks of the paper is 150 marks. In that, the 5 to 10 marks they will ask from the outside the textbook. So in the 2017 paper they asked one question 5 marks from the outside the textbook, that is this question. So 2017 paper ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆವಾಗ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ 150 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 150 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ 2017ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋಂಥ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ take a screenshot and copy to the notes. So once again I'm telling this question, repeating this question, just listen here. So consider y is equal to sin inverse x whole square. So differentiate with respect to x. Here we are applied the chain rule differentiation. First you want to differentiate the power and then you want to come for the base. Here the differentiation of sin inverse x whole square is 2 sin inverse x. Again differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. If any term exists in the denominator, multiply the term throughout the equation. I am multiplying the root of 1 minus x square throughout the equation. So root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to 2 sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. So denominator will cancel. Now again differentiate with respect to x. You want to apply the product rule differentiation. Here root of 1 minus keep as it is. The differentiation of dy by dx is d square by dx square. Dy by dx keep as it is. The differentiation of root 1 minus x square is, first you want to differentiate the root. We know the differentiation of root x. What is the differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So first we are differentiating the root and then we are differentiating the function. The differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square. Again if 1 minus x square is minus 2x. Here 2 is a constant. The differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Here the differentiation is completed here. So after the differentiation, if any term exists in the denominator, multiply the term throughout the equation. I am multiplying the root of 1 minus x square throughout the equation. Then So if you are on the multiplication, this will become root of 1 minus s square whole square. Here the minus I am writing as it is, x by root of 1 minus s square into root of 1 minus s square into dy by dx, 2 by root of 1 minus s square into root of 1 minus s square. Here root 1 minus s square, root 1 minus s square cancel, root 1 minus s square, root 1 minus s square cancel, square and root cancel. What we left with the terms, I am writing the terms. So that is the answer. That is the answer. So take a screenshot and copy to the notes. Students, now we will go for the next question. The next question is, if y is equal to 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x, then prove that d square by dx square minus 5 into dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 2. Sorry, 6y is equal to 0. So this is a given question. So to prove this problem, so I will do method 1 method. So method 1 type. So what is a method 1 type? So I think you already forgotten. So method 1 type means so we are differentiating the function twice and we are substituting the to a left hand side. So last problem we are done by using the method 2. What is the method 2 andre? So after the differentiation, so what we are doing means we are rearranging the term and we are proving that equation. What the given equation, we are proving the method 2. The method 1 is what? We are differentiating the function twice and we are substituting the left hand side, we are getting right hand side, like that. So this problem and next problem what we are doing today, so these two problems we will do by using the method 1. So my last but one video, so ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ನೋ ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಂತ, ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಮೆಥಡ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ 2 ಸರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಮೆಥಡ್ 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ 2 ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ 1 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಥಡ್ 1 ಈಸ್, ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ 2 ಸರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 0 ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ y is equal to 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x. Let me differentiate this equation. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, here 3 is a constant. While differentiating the constant with the function exists, take out the constant outside, differentiate the function. Now 3 is a constant. The differentiation of e to the power of 2x is e to the power of 2x. Again differentiation of 2x is 2 plus, so constant with the function is exists, take out the constant outside. The differentiation of e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x into 3. Now 3 2 ja 6. So dy by dx is equal to 6 e to the power of 2x. 2 3 ja 6. 6 e to the power of 3x. Once again differentiate with respect to x. So here once again we are differentiating. D square by dx square is equal to, here the constant with the function is there, take out the constant outside. So the differentiation of e to the power of 2x is e to the power of 2x into 2. Here again we constant with the function is there, take out the constant. The differentiation of e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x into 3. So we have differentiation of e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x into 3. So we are applied the chain rule differentiation. 6 2 ja 12. So d square y by dx square mine is equal to 6 2 ja 12 e to the power of 2x. 6 3 ja 18 e to the power of 3x. So this is the differentiation. We are completed the differentiation now. Now what we will do means, we'll after the differentiation we'll substitute this equation in the left hand side. Let me take the left hand side. LHS is equal to what we have, d square y by dx square minus 5 into dy by dx plus 6y. Now what is the d square by dx square is 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 3x minus 5 into, what is the dy by dx we have, dy by dx is 6. See here the dy by dx is this one d square by dx square is this one, 6 e to the power of 2x plus 6 e to the power of 3x plus 6 into what is y is y here we have y is this one, so 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 3x. Now this is equal to, I am multiplying the equations, 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 3x, multiply the 5 inside the bracket, 5 6 ja 30 minus we have, so minus 30 e to the power of 2x minus 5 into 6 minus 30 e to the power of 3x. Let me multiply the 6 inside, 6 3 ja 18 e to the power of 2x, 6 2 ja 12 e to the power of 3x. Now 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 2x is what? 30 e to the power of 2x minus 30 e to the power of 2x cancel, 18 e to the power of 3x and 12 e to the power of 3x is odd, minus 30 e to the power of 2x, so 30 e to the power of 2x and minus 30 e to the power of 2x will be cancelled. Is it clear? So we left with 0. This is equal to RHS. Is it clear? Once again I am repeating, just listen here. It is very easy problem. So we are doing this problem by using the method 1. What is the method 1 is? So we are differentiating the function twice. After the differentiation of function twice, so we are substituting in the left hand side and we will get right hand side. Now see here. So here the given problem is y is equal to 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 e to the power of 2x. So now differentiate with respect to x. Here 3 is a constant. What is the differentiation of e to the power of 2x is e to the power of 2x into 2. Here 2 is a constant. What is the differentiation of e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x into 3. 3 2 ja 6 e to the power of 2x. 2 3 ja 6 e to the power of 3x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here 6 is a constant. The differentiation of e to the power of 2x is e to the power of 2x into 2. Here 6 is a constant. The differentiation of e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x into 3. 6 2 ja 12 e to the power of 2x. 6 3 ja 18 e to the power of 3x. Now take a left hand side. The left hand side is d square by dx square minus 5 into dy by dx plus 6y. We are substituting the d square by dx square, dy by dx and y in the equation. Now we are simplifying. So you see here 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 3x. Multiply the 5 inside the bracket. 5 6 ja. What is 5 6 ja? 30 minus is there, minus 30 e to the power of 2x. 5 6 ja 30 minus is there, minus 30 e to the power of 3x. 6 3 ja 18 e to the power of 2x. 6 2 ja 12 e to the power of 3x. Now 12 e to the power of 2x plus 18 e to the power of 2x is what? Minus 30 e to the power of 2x. So minus 30 e to the power of 2x will be cancelled. Now 18 e to the power of 3x plus 12 e to the power of 3x is what? 30 e to the power of 3x. So 30 e to the power of 3x and minus 30 e to the power of 3x will be cancelled. So see here. So I am marked here like this. Wave type. The wave type means these are all same problem. So same terms. So here I am marked star here. The star means star indicates these are all same terms. So wave indicates e to the power of 2x terms. The star indicates e to the power of 3x terms. Now I am cancelling the terms. So we left with 0. This is equal to RH. So this is a very important problem. So this is, take a screenshot and copy to the notes. Students, now we'll go for the next problem. The next problem is if a is equal to e to the power of mx plus b is equal to e to the power of nx, then prove that d square by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y is equal to 0. This is a given problem. Now this problem also we are solving by using the method 1. So what is the method 1 means? We are differentiating the function twice and we are substituting in the left hand side. So let me consider this equation. Consider, so y is equal to a into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of nx. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So here dy by dx is equal to, here a is a constant. What is the difference of e to the power of mx is e to the power of mx into m, plus here b is a constant. What is the difference of e to the power of nx is e to the power of nx into n. Now here the constant with the function is exists. Take out the constant outside. We are differentiating the e to the power of mx. The difference of e to the power of mx is e to the power of mx into m. Now dy by dx is equal to am e to the power of mx plus bn e to the power of nx. So one time differentiation is completed. We are differentiating another time, differentiating with respect to x. So d square y by dx square is equal to, now am is a constant. What is the difference of e to the power of mx is e to the power of mx into m, plus bn is a constant. What is the differentiation of e to the power of nx is e to the power of nx into n. Now m into m, what? M square. So d square y by dx square is equal to am square e to the power of mx plus bn square e to the power of nx. So what we did in the last problem, the same type we are doing, nothing change here. So we are differentiating the function twice and we are substituting in the left hand side. So what is the left hand side here? Left hand side is equal to d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mny. Now this is equal to, what is the d square y by dx square? So here we have a d square y by dx square, here we have a dy by dx, here we have a y. Now what I am doing, I am substituting all the terms. See here d square by dx square is am square e to the power of mx plus bn square e to the power of nx minus m plus n into, so what is the dy by dx is, so I am writing here am e to the power of mx plus bn e to the power of nx plus mn plus mn. What is y is? The y is a e to the power of mx plus b e to the power of nx. So I am substituted the d square by dx square, dy by dx and y. Now I am simplifying this equation. So this is equal to am square e to the power of mx plus bn square e to the power of nx. So now I am multiplying the m, while so here we have a minus. So on multiplication for all the terms we will get minus, because here there is only plus terms. So I am multiplying the m here. So this will become minus into plus, minus am square e to the power of mx. I am multiplying the m for this term, minus bmn e to the power of nx. Next I am multiplying the n, minus amn e to the power of mx minus bn square e to the power of nx. I am multiplying the mn here. If you multiply the mn plus mn a into e to the power of mx plus bmn e to the power of nx. Now listen here, I am putting wave here, am square e to the power of mx minus am square e to the power of x cancel. I am putting star here, bn square e to the power of mx minus bn square e to the power of x cancel. I am putting right mark here, minus bmn plus bmn will cancel. So I am cancelling this amn e to the power of mx and minus amn e to the power of nx. So we left with what? 0. This is RHS. Is it clear? Is it okay? So very simple problem. So what we did andre, So we are differentiated the function twice, we are substituted in the left hand side, and we are simplified the equation, we get an RHS. So what we done last video and in this video, first problem, that is method 2 is suitable for those problems. For this type of problems we need a method 1. What is the method 1 means? We are differentiating the function twice, we are substituting the equation. So once again I am repeating this question, just listen here, just listen what we did here. So let me consider this equation. Here we are applied the chain rule differentiation. d by x is equal to a is a constant. What is the differential of mx is e to the power of mx into m. Here b is a constant, so the differentiation of e to the power of nx is e to the power of nx into n. So am e to the power of mx plus bn e to the power of nx. Once again I am differentiating with respect to x. Here am is a constant, the differentiation of e to the power of mx is e to the power of mx into m. Here bn is a constant, the differentiation of e to the power of nx is e to the power of nx into n. M into m is m square, n into n is n square. So am square e to the power of mx plus bn square e to the power of nx. So I am substituting in the left hand side. Here the left hand side is d square by dx square is this one, minus m plus n. What is the d by dx is am e to the power of mx plus bn e to the power of nx plus mn. What is the y is am e to the power of mx plus bn into e to the power of nx. Now I am simplifying the equation. So see here am square e to the power of mx plus bn square e to the power of nx. So here m into m, am square e to the power of mx minus, so b into m and bmn e to the power of nx, n into m, m into n, so amn e to the power of mx, b into n means bn square e to the power of nx. So if you multiply mn inside the bracket, so amn e to the power of mx plus bmn e to the power of nx. So here nodili, so we are wave term, this term and this term is cancelled, star term will be cancelled, right mark will term cancel, we left with the two terms, this is also cancelled, we left with 0, this is equal to RHS. Very easy, nothing here. So we are doing so many steps, that's all. So that writing is more, but doing is very easy. You want to differentiate the function twice and we are substituting in the left hand side, so cancel the common terms and we get 0. ನಾನು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲೀರಿ, ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ practice more and more. So if you practice more and more, you will get thorough with the topic, otherwise it will be difficult for you people. So once again I am telling for you people, so depending upon this chapter, so we have another 5 chapters. If you don't know this chapter, you want to leave the 5 chapters. If you leave the 5 chapters, so the passing is very difficult for you people, because depending upon these 5 topics we are covering almost all 80 marks in the exam. So be serious and learn properly. So learn all the formulas and learn all the methods. So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.